Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a very short and sweet video. I just want to give a public service announcement about a really great product. And if you're like me, one of the first things I do after I get a new dirt bike is I throw on some new grips. Well, I went to go do that on the Ultra Bee. Come to find out, the geniuses at Sur Ron decided to permanently glue very poor quality grips onto the throttle tube. And I sat there and I was cutting away at it. You know, I think I might have even got out the blowtorch for a second and thought better of it. And, you know, it's just not coming off. So I got online and I did some searching. A lot of people are having the same problems. But one of our, suppliers, we sell parts for this company for the Sur Ron Light Bee, and they make great stuff. They've already came up with a solution for it. And it is a new Warp 9 throttle tube. So this guy, it is an aluminum throttle tube. This one's anodized black that replaces the plastic and crappy glued on grips that come with the Sur Ron Ultra Bee. I'm not going to show you how to install it today because they already have a great installation video where you can reach it with the QR code on the back of this guy. But we're selling these guys on our website, and this is going to solve all your problems. I've also chosen to go with some ODI Rogue grips. These are a great option. I like the big, cushiony, large diameter, large block grips. It makes it really easy when it gets muddy and wet. So go check it out and get a better grip on your bike. As you can see, the aluminum throttle tube rides nicely and rotates freely on the handlebars. Now, if you're dreading using the slip-on style grips, have no fear. I have a special little tip for you. All you need is a handful of zip ties and one rubber band. Place the zip ties around the throttle tube so that they're parallel and evenly spaced. Then use the rubber band to hold them in place. Put the grip over the end of the zip ties. You'll kind of have to funnel them into the grip. And then slide the grip and the zip ties over the throttle tube. What the zip ties do is it reduces the friction between the grip and the throttle tube, so it's much easier to slide it on. Once the grip is all the way on, it's pretty easy to pull each zip tie out one by one. Once all the zip ties are out, then you're good.